Make butter at home easily in the KitchenAid stand mixer. Attach the wire whisk to the stand mixer and add the cream to the bowl. Lower the head of the stand mixer and turn to speed 4, mixing slowly to begin. When soft peaks form, turn the mixer up to speed 10. The cream will start to curdle and split. When the cream splits into a butter solid and a buttermilk, you will need to reduce the speed of your stand mixer to stop the splashing of the buttermilk. You may even wish to cover the top of the stand mixer with a tea towel. The mixture is ready when you have 2 distinct parts, a solid and also a liquid. Remove the butter and place it in a separate bowl. And be sure to save the buttermilk for recipes like pancakes and muffins. Take the butter and rinse it under cold water, squeezing until all the buttermilk has been removed. Once all the buttermilk has been removed from your butter, it's now time to store it. Pop it into a butter bell, a glass container, or simply wrap it up in some baking paper. You can add flavourings at this stage as well now. Some salt, some parsley, some lemon, or even what about a sweet butter, some cinnamon sugar, and maybe a little bit of honey. Homemade butter will last up to 1 week in the fridge.